Hi guys, welcome to my video today. So today is National French Fry Day. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love celebrating national food holidays. I don't know who makes them up, but they are always super fun, so I like to celebrate them. So today I'm gonna make some keto French fries. They are low carb, healthy, and even though it's a National French Fry Day, I'm gonna make my French fries with not potatoes, but with jicama. So this, I think it's like a root vegetable. I think it comes from Mexico mostly, but they are just like a potato, but low carb. So these are awesome. I am going to dice them up to look like French fries, and I'm going to cook them in my air fryer. They turn out so perfect in the air fryer. So I'm gonna make these for National French Fry Day. They will be delicious. So check out how I make them. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post new videos. Tons of keto recipes and just love celebrating food holidays also. So celebrating today with some keto French fries. So I have my jicama and I'm going to take the skin off. The skin is really tough and kind of waxy. So these things are super hard. I'm going to just cut a little bit off and then pull back the waxy skin. And I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm going to kind of like start it with my knife and then pull as much as I can off. Sometimes it comes off in like a big old sheet, and sometimes it is like takes a little bit. But I'm going to peel all of the skin off before I cut it into my little strips that look like French fries. So now that they're ready to go, I am going to cut them up. So they are super hard, so definitely be careful when you cut these. You gotta put some pressure on it, but gotta cut it through, and then I'm gonna cut it into look just like French fries, and they will be so perfect. I'm gonna add in some olive oil and some seasonings. I am just gonna drizzle that on. I'm gonna add in olive oil, and I have a seasoning salt and a garlic powder. So you can add kind of whatever seasonings you want. Oregano is really good on these also, but definitely load it up on some seasonings, and I'm gonna just mix it with my hands to mix it all nice and through, and then they'll be ready to go into my air fryer. I love making these in the air fryer. You could definitely make them in the oven also, but they turn out so good in the air fryer, and they're super quick and easy. So I'm going to add all of the jicama pieces into my air fryer basket, and I am going to, I kind of cut off the air fryer here, but I'm just mixing them around with the seasoning some more, making it nice and flat. But I'm going to cook these, and then about halfway through, I'm going to kind of toss it around and mix it up so that all of the pieces get nice and cooked. I'm going to increase the heat to 400, and then I'm going to cook these for 15 minutes, and they'll be ready to go. They turn out so good, a little side of sugar, no sugar added ketchup, and they are delicious. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a really great National French Fry Day. Go get yourself some French fries.